name's Mark Ferrington and I am Director of Sixth Form. Extracurricular activities within the Sixth Form run as our enrichment programme, and this is usually 2 double periods a week additional to your timetable. These extra classes give you the opportunity to widen your skill set, take part in something active or just for fun. In the past few years we have offered lessons in acting for camera, creative writing, additional dance, art enrichment, script reading, self-defense and yoga. During these allocated times, we also run opportunities to take additional dance for students. For those with a heavier timetable, you might want to opt for a silent study or additional help from our Sixth Form Senko in a study skills class. You could audition for our Arts Ed show choir, who learn repertoire for performance, including open evening and music concert. Within the enrichment timetable, you will find rehearsals for our Sixth Form acting company and musical theatre company. Places are available via an audition process, and these prestigious companies will work on a project culminating in a performance at the end of the year. However you decide to enrich your Sixth Form curriculum, you are sure to find our programme interesting and enjoyable.